Chill out. Oh my god, finally. You're worse than my mom. Convention on time.
Who is it?
Your dad.
Oh, you can come in. The door's unlocked.
Okay. Your mom made breakfast downstairs, so if you want, go get.
I'll be down in a bit.
Oh, my bad, were you studying?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, okay, I'll get out of your hair. Don't forget to come downstairs and eat breakfast.
Alright, I wouldn't want to mess up.
Of course. Keep up the work, kid.
Will do.
My god, you spooked me.
Morning. There's breakfast on the table. Oh, okay. Thank you, Mom.
No problem.
My favorite.
Jeez, someone was hungry. At least drink your tea. Jeez.
Man, that was good. I'm gonna head to work now. Bye, Dad. Love you.
Alright, love you. Be safe.
Hey, I'm finally done. Oh, come on. I'm finally finished cooking. Man.
Serenity! I miss you! I miss us!
Oh my! It's great to see you all!
She's not a teacher, stupid.
Settle down, everyone. Give Miss Serenity some space.
What? Huh? What?
Let's give Miss S some space. Now you guys go play.
Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, go.
My god. Thank you. Don't mention it. Kids have been getting more rowdy. Tell me about it. I've never seen them that excited for me. Honestly, for anyone, right? Yeah. Where's Melody and the others? They're in the break room. Speaking of, let me go check on them real quick. Okay, right behind you. And then she had the audacity to tell me to shut up. Huh? Hiya. Serenity's here.
Seriously?
Shut up. No way. Yeah, she's here. See?
Hey, Siren.
Hey. Hi. It's good to be back.
We missed you. Yeah. You're gonna be covering the shift with Fauna and Fabella.
Ah, okay. Now, you go put your stuff away, okay? Uh-huh. Alright, you got this, Serenity. Careful, girls.
Come on, push it. I'm trying. Miss Serenity. I missed you.
I missed you too, kiddo.
Okay, I'm gonna go play with Mark. Bye. And that was so cool. Oh, don't fall over, Mr. Snuffles. Come on, get up.
Bila!
Huh? Miss Serenity, you're back.
Oh wow, you've gotten so much more better at flying.
Thank you. My mom taught me.
Oh, that's great to hear. Oh, who's that little guy?
This is Mr. Snuffles. My mom got it for me because I learned how to fly. Look at him.
Oh, he's so adorable.
Yeah.
Snuffles is such a cute name. Thank you for watching my Bila. Yeah, no problem.
Mom.
Well, we shall get going then. Alright, bye.
Bye, Miss Serenity.
I'll see you next week. Goodbye. Serenity. All of us are heading to Cats. You want to come?
Yeah, it'll be fun.
So what do you say? Well, yeah, sure. Sweet! It's been forever. Let's go! Oh my. Be gentle with her.
Right? That's crazy.
How do you even get psychos like that? First time should have been a red flag. He's such a jerk.
And then she got mad when I blocked her.
Right.
Hey, look at the girl over there. Her fur is so dirty, right? Maybe she should take a bath. So how was your weekend? It was fine. Nothing too interesting happened.
Hey, what can I get you guys?
Were you okay?
I'm okay. Don't worry.
You sure, Siren?
I don't know. You don't look too well.
Do you want to go? I can drive.
This doesn't seem like the right time. I'll come back later to check on you guys. I think I'm gonna walk home. Thanks for inviting me, you guys. I hope she gets home safe. Ugh! Hey! I'm sorry. Watch where you're going, Fleabag. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Cry, baby. Ugh! You idiot.